few years ago, I made this beautiful sunflower out of 152 screwdrivers. Apparently, I thought I needed a whole garden of sunflowers because I just kept buying screwdrivers. And I've collected these screwdrivers over the last couple of years when I go to the swap meets. And before I can build anything, I have to decide exactly what I have. I need to count my screwdrivers. I need to find some steel that I can cut up. I need to figure out how to get this out without scratching the Camaro. I have about 180 usable screwdrivers. Let's see how many we can fit into that sunflower. But we'll have that final count when we're done, so let's get at it. You can use that to cut out the center. It's perfect. We'll just cut a piece of this. That'll be perfect. It's about 1/4 inch. And then that'll be the back side of the sunflower. And then this will be the inside where we put the sunflower seeds. I found another couple pieces that we can figure out how to use for a fat stem. And then this part for staking into the ground. These ought to do us. The basic idea is pretty simple. A metal disc forms the foundation. Screwdrivers are arranged and then they're just tack welded on. A second sheet metal disc covers the welded ends. MIG dots create that sunflower texture. Rebar becomes a stem. A few screwdrivers become leaves, and the whole thing gets staked into the ground. Simple enough, except I've forgotten how long it actually takes to weld 100 and something screwdrivers together. What a pain in the ass that was. That's what happens when you don't have the right blades. Okay, let's see what I can do here. I'm telling you, I'm not super good at cutting metal yet. I'm learning though. This is a super cool tool for sheet metal. Grind those edges off. We're gonna call that done. Good enough to weld some dots on. Not bad, that was easy. Easier than that plate. Let's see. Oh, they're hot from sitting in the sun. I'm gonna take it to 24. Oh, and that is plenty big. 16. I'm going to cut some of these tips off so that they can be set back a little bit. Like, I don't want that in there because I need to pile more screwdrivers in here. So I'm just gonna give myself a little bit of room. 2 done, 1 million to go. Always wear your safety glasses. Also need to take down some of this rust so it's easier to weld. Got rid of those long ones. Where's my tape measure? All right, now how many we got? We have 20 there. I have to put a couple more. 22. We do have to take the plastic off these. That way we can see the pretty yellow. So let's do that. Look at that. That's going to pick up the sun so pretty. This is going to cover all of these. This will get rounded out a little bit, and then all the other screwdrivers in there. It's going to look fantastic. Let's go find some more screwdrivers. Now we start filling in. Oh, and if you've spent so much time in the garage that you forgot to come in when dinner was ready, and when you did finally come in, the house was dark and your dinner was in the microwave, you probably owe your wife one of these. Okay, you guys, don't really make fun of me because you know I don't really know how to weld. We have exactly 20. All right, I think we have a good foundation here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 28 in the foundation. It's starting to look like a sunflower. This thing is getting ridiculous. Hey, that looks pretty good. Okay, we should count what we have here. All right, we are at 48 and it's starting to get heavy. Hey, if you enjoyed the videos that us small creators put out, a great way to support us is to subscribe to our channel. There's another 20. So we just keep placing these so that the handle covers most of the metal that's behind it, and that's how we fill it in. Okay, no laughing. I really do not know how to shape a metal, but I have figured out how to bend a little bit. So this is all I have. I don't have one of those fancy little bags. So I'm just gonna kind of pound this around the edges and see if it begins to bend. I just need something to pound it into. What could I use? Aha. We're gonna try this since I don't have a bag. I always figure something out, right? Okay, a little concaveness on it. Not much, but it'll be enough by the time we put the sunflower seeds on. I think that's enough. Oh, all right, that was easy. Feel free to sign me up for a metal shaping class. That would be a lot of fun. And there is another 20. $108. I think we got all the screwdrivers we need. Now I need to hide all this stuff in the center, and that's what this disc is for. And this is probably my favorite part. Oops, caught my screwdriver on fire. Wow, look at that. I'm going to see if I can make a flat-ish surface on this pipe to make it easier for me to weld, since I don't really know how to weld the pipe. Oh, my skinny little arm's getting tired. I'm going to see if I can weld this right here. What do you think? I don't know. I feel like that gap, it might be too big for me, but I'll figure it out. Let's just try it. Worst things that could happen, right? I think that'll hold just fine. That looks really bad, but it's okay. It doesn't matter. It just has to hold. That looks like shazizzle, but I don't think it matters. It's not gonna fall off of here, right? Yeah, what do you think? I'm gonna put some leaves right here and call it done. If you want to know more about that incredible 1968 Camaro, check out this playlist right here. And if you want to know more about me and how I ended up in Girl Garage, check out this long, boring video right here.